Hello everyone, welcome to another session on my channel. My name is Rajni and in this video you are going to learn uses of could. Could can have multiple uses. For example, it can be used to make humble or polite request. Example sentence, could you please do me a favor? Could you please bring me a glass of water? Could I have some tea? Could you please pass me that book? Could I be of any help? Right? It can also be used to talk about someone's abilities in the past. It can be used to talk about what someone was generally able to do in the past. For example, my daughter could walk when she was 10 months old. I could not sleep last night. I could not take your call because I was a little busy. Could have. Could have can be used when you want to say that you were capable of doing something but you didn't do that. For example, we could have left the party earlier. You could have helped me. You could have spoken English with your teacher. He could have called you but he didn't. Could be. Could be is often used to express possibilities or uncertainty. It is typically used to suggest that something is possible or it might happen, but it's not definite. For example, it could be raining today. It's possible that it will be raining, but you're not certain about it. She could be at home. She could be the best candidate for this job. The keys could be in the bedroom. It could be a misunderstanding. The meeting could be rescheduled for the next day. Could have been. Could have been can be used to talk about the things that didn't happen. For example, I could have been asked about where I was yesterday. You could have been there. You could have been in her birthday party yesterday. You could have been successful if you had worked hard. You could have been a good English speaker if you had practiced every day. Now, try to make some sentences using could be, could have been. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Till then, bye-bye.